What if I tell you that the solution to pig worms is not inside an expensive drug bottle, but inside a fruit you already know? Yes, papaya seeds. Many pig farmers are losing money every month because of worms, yet they don't even know it. Your pigs are eating well, but they are not growing fast. They look weak, they lose weight. Sometimes they even die suddenly. And the painful part? You keep buying expensive dewormers, but the problem keeps coming back. In this video, I will show you how papaya seeds can help deworm pigs naturally, why worms are dangerous to your pigs, how to prepare papaya seeds the right way, how to give it safely to piglets, growers, and adults. Mistakes many farmers make with natural deworming. If you raise pigs or plan to start pig farming, don't skip this video, because this can save you money and protect your pigs naturally. Section 1. Why worms are a big problem in pigs. Let's start with the truth many farmers don't talk about. Almost every pig has worms at some point, especially pigs that stay on dirty floors, eat food dropped on the ground, drink dirty water, walk freely outside, are not dewormed regularly. Common signs your pigs may have worms: slow growth, big stomach but thin body, rough or dull hair, diarrhea or watery stool, weakness, poor appetite, coughing in some cases. Worms steal nutrients from your pig's body, so even if you feed your pig well, the worms are eating the food before the pig can use it. That is why deworming is very important. Section 2. Chemical dewormers versus natural deworming. Let's be honest, chemical dewormers work, but they have problems. They are expensive. Some pigs react badly to them. Overuse can cause resistance. Not always available in villages. Wrong dosage can kill pigs. That is why many farmers are now asking, is there a natural way? And the answer is yes. One of the most popular natural options is papaya seeds. Section 3. Why papaya seeds work against worms. Papaya seeds are not just waste. They contain natural chemicals that paralyze worms, kill intestinal parasites, reduce worm eggs in the body. Papaya seeds contain substances like papain and alkaloids. These substances attack worms without harming the pig when used correctly. This method has been used for many years by village farmers, traditional livestock keepers, small-scale pig farmers. But the key word here is used correctly. Section 4. Which pigs can use papaya seeds? Papaya seed deworming can be used for piglets above 6 to 8 weeks, grower pigs, adult pigs, breeding pigs with care. Not recommended for very young piglets below 6 weeks. Young piglets have weak stomachs. Always allow them to grow a little first. Section 5. How to prepare papaya seeds properly. This is where many farmers make mistakes. Let me show you the right way. Step 1. Get ripe papaya. Use fully ripe papaya. Unripe papaya seeds are too strong. Step 2. Remove the seeds. Scoop out the seeds. Wash them with clean water. Step 3. Dry the seeds. You can dry them in 2 ways. Option A. Sun drying. Spread seeds on a clean tray. Dry under sunlight for 3 to 5 days. Option B. Shade drying. Dry under shade for 5 to 7 days. This keeps nutrients strong. Make sure seeds are completely dry. Step 4. Grind the seeds. Use a blender, mortar, or grinding machine. Grind into fine powder. Store in a dry container. Section 6. How to give papaya seeds to pigs. This is very important. Too little will not work. Too much can stress the pig. Dosage Guide. Simple village method. Piglets, 6 to 12 weeks. 1/2 teaspoon of papaya seed powder, once daily for 3 days. Mix with feed. Grower pigs, 1 teaspoon, once daily for 3 days. Adult pigs, 1 tablespoon, once daily for 3 days. Do not give every day for weeks. Do not overdose. Natural does not mean use anyhow. Section 7. How to mix papaya seeds with feed. Papaya seeds taste bitter. If you give it alone, pigs may refuse. Here's how to mix it properly. Mix powder with soaked feed. Mix with maize bran. Mix with cooked cassava peels. Add a little water. Make sure the pig finishes the feed. Section 8. What to expect after deworming. After using papaya seeds correctly, you may notice worms in stool. Don't panic. Better appetite, more energy, improved growth, shinier hair. This usually starts 3 to 7 days after treatment. Section 9. How often should you use papaya seeds? Do not overuse. Recommended schedule: every 2 to 3 months, or when you notice worm signs. Alternate with chemical dewormers if possible. This helps prevent resistance. Section 10. Common mistakes farmers make. Using unripe papaya seeds. Giving too much powder. Giving to very young piglets. Not cleaning pig pens. Expecting instant results. Remember, deworming without hygiene is a waste. Section 11. Keep your pigs worm-free naturally. Papaya seeds work best when combined with clean water, dry floors, proper drainage, clean feeding troughs, regular pen cleaning. Worm eggs live in dirt. Kill the worms and remove their home. Section 12. Papaya seeds versus other natural dewormers. Other natural options include pumpkin seeds, neem leaves, garlic, small amounts. But papaya seeds are easy to find, cheap, powerful, proven. Section 13. Final warning. Papaya seeds are helpful, but they do not replace veterinary care completely. Sick pigs should see a vet. Pregnant sows need extra care. Use wisdom. If you learned something today, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, share with a pig farmer, subscribe for more pig farming tips, comment below. Have you ever tried papaya seeds on your pigs? Did it work? I'll reply to your comments. See you in the next video.